Another little comparison test we're going to do here. And again, I'm going to put both coils on that Equinox. I've got a rusty cap here, a clad quarter, and setting slightly above it, but very close to the same plane, the old pool tab there, okay? D-pie conductor, bottle cap at 3. You ain't gonna get that bottle cap level 3 with this machine. You might get it if you sweep a long ways over the top of it, but not 2, 3, or 4 inches for sure, okay? Reactivity 2.5, full tones, okay? Now, one thing about this setup right here, when I sweep this detector, you hear that high tone. It's a picking that quarter, okay? That's the tab. Okay, it's a coming in at 63, but now that quarter could be playing with the ID a little bit, okay? You hear that high tone ping, okay? So when that happens, so you hear that in the field, you know, you can't depend on the ID necessarily until you hover the call. She's reading 99. Okay, I'm gonna turn that camera off. We're gonna put the stock coil first on this Equinox and we'll see what happens. And I'm gonna talk a little bit about the iron bias on that machine for that bottle cap. Power one on this Equinox with the stock coil, and I'm gonna check it with the same iron bias setting with that smile coil. F26, okay? Now, that don't make that bottle cap quiet, but you would never dig it, okay? I don't believe. This is speed 6. Let's see what we get. I'm not even swung this machine over this setup right here. I'm gonna swing over with very coil height. Hover. There might be a little sign of a high conductor on a hover, but what about a sweep? Okay, that's speed 6. Whoops. Speed 7. Alright, no help. Speed 5. Now, we'll go back to speed 6. We'll do this just to see what happens. I don't know what's going to happen here. I'm going to let the F2 all the way down to 0. Let's just see what happens. See, I'm over that bottle cap there now. That helps it a little bit. I can hear that quarter trying to hit. But it's when the coil's going to the right. Every now and then I can hear it. Right there. Be tough to find that quarter with this machine right there swinging like that right there. Okay, I'm going to turn the camera off. We'll put the small coil on this machine. This coil on this detector, I've got this F2 iron bias screen open here, okay? This is level 6. Let you hear that bottle cap. That's level 4. That's level 5. All right, we'll check this setup with level 6, okay? First, F26, and I'll turn it to 0. Okay, speed 5 first. See what we get. Now, I've not swung this machine set up over this till right now. You're seeing it, okay? All right, there's signs of a high conductor on a hover, but what about a sweep? okay? And that's speed 5, here's speed 6. Every now and then I hear just a little chirp. And remember, I know where that thing's at, okay? It's speed 7. And just show y'all how far apart them things are. You see that small coal? When it's over that quarter, it's not over neither one of those targets, okay? But now, granted, that bottle cap there's above the plane of that quarter. Sweep her a little more here, speed 7. Be tough to find that quarter in my opinion, okay? So we'll go back here to speed 5. Let's just turn the iron bias F2 to 0. See, now the bottle cap's making racket now. 13 on that pull tab. Okay. That's speed 5. Here's speed 6, F2 0. I'm hearing the tone trying to crawl up on that quarter. It's working a little bit right there, speed 7. So, Equinox users, you might be paying attention here. Now that's F2 0. And this old bottle cap here, see what it reads? 13. So if you're on a nickel mission, if you're after high conductors, you might be better off leaving F2 at 0 on this machine in a park. Maybe you can transition or have your alternative program, you know, to look for that bottle cap. Or move your coil back off of it, okay? But blocking that bottle cap, unlike with that Deus too, I can block that bottle cap and light that quarter up, okay? I can't do that with this machine here, okay? Not even with this 6-inch coil as far apart as them targets are. Look at there. See that?